students of class 7. Today we will do the last portion of chapter 4. The topics are digital footprints and cybercrime. So everyone get ready with the book, page number 40, and let us start the class. First, digital footprint. While using the internet, the trail of data we leave is called the digital footprint. This includes the website we visit, emails we send, and information we submit for the different online services. It can be passive or active. So, whenever we are browsing the internet, whatever we are typing, whatever we are searching, whatever site we are visiting, whatever email we are opening or sending, information that we submit for online services, those are called the digital footprint. And digital footprint are of two types, passive or active. Now, passive digital footprint is a data trail we leave unintentionally. For example, when we log on to a site, it may identify your internet service provider and your location. Our search history is saved by some search engine and is a more personal digital footprint. This is the passive digital footprint. Active digital footprint consists of data that we submit online deliberately. For example, sending an email which can be sent or seen by other people, posting on social media sites like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. contribute to your digital footprint. Publishing a blog will also to contribute to your digital footprint. Now, these are the active digital footprints. It is important to consider what trail of data we are leaving behind. Although everyone use the internet has a digital footprint. Whenever we are using internet, we must have some digital footprint left behind. But it is easy to think before we post. Sometimes any website or send a hurtful mail to somebody. You may think that by deleting the post mail, we have removed it from the internet. But once the data has been shared online, there is no guarantee that you will ever be able to remove it from the internet. So before posting anything, before searching anything, before doing any social activity in the internet, please think about it first, then do it. In order to keep in pace with the changing generation, the Indian Parliament passed the law, Information Technology Act 2020. The IT Act 2020 has been conceptualized on the United Nations Commission on International Trade Law. That is, some model is there that will define the IT Act 2000. Now, next is cybercrime. Cybercrime is a crime that is committed using the computer and the internet, where computer may be the target or the tool or the both. They may involve criminal activities such as identifying threat, fraud, forgery, phishing, hacking, and defamation. Cyber crime are addressed by the Information Technology Act 2000. Cyber police take care of these cyber crimes. So, whenever we are walking in the internet, whenever we are searching, whenever we are walking in the social media, please be careful whenever you are posting anything. Think before you do. So, today's CW work we have done digital footprint and cybercrime. Everyone read page 40 and 41 thoroughly from the book, and if you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. Everyone stay at home, stay healthy, finish your work on time. Please study at home and bye-bye.